Number 43, solve the inequality and graph the solution set. X squared minus 2x is less than or equal to 3. Well, we want to get 0 on the right side, so let's subtract 3 from both sides. If you take 3 away from here, you're going to get 0. 3 away from here, you're going to have a minus 3 on the left side. Okay? Then we'll factor this left side here. You're going to have x minus 3 and x plus 1. You see you have minus 3x and plus 1x is minus 2x, and negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. All right? Then let's let y be this for just a second, and we'll graph this. So I've got f of x is x minus 3 times x plus 1. Give me a sheet of graph paper here and graph this. All right? Well, to find out my zeros, I set both of these. When you multiply these, you get 0. And if you set this one equal to 0, you have x minus 3 equals 0, then x is going to be 3. All right, when x is 3, then y is 0, and I've got one of my first points. Let's see, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 to the right. There it is. All right, now let's come up here, x plus 1. Either x minus 3 is 0, and we get this point, or x plus 1 is 0. If we do that, then we get x is minus 1. And then instead of going 3 to the right, I'm going to go to the left 1 and put a point at negative 1, 0 right here. Now I have 2 points that lie on this line. Okay? All right, that's my zeros. Let's find one more point. I think it'd be good to find the vertex, don't you? Let's find the vertex. X equals negative b over 2a, where b is negative 2 and a is 1. So I have the opposite of b, the opposite of a minus 2, which is going to be a plus 2. 2 over 2 is 1. So my vertex has an x-coordinate of 1. Now if you plug a 1 in here, we can figure out what the y is. So we'll have 1 squared minus 2 times 1. Let me write that down here. 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 3. 2 times 1 is 2. So you have 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, and negative 3 is negative 4. So when x is 1, y is going to be negative 4. Well, let's graph that point. We're going 1 on the x-axis, 1 to the right, and we're going where? Down 4. 1, 2, 3. There's my next point. Now we can draw a curve through these things, a parabola, and now we can find out where x is going to be, the values of x here. All right. In other words, let me put this better here now. Y is going to be what? Less than 0 or equal to 0. So in other words, when is y less than 0? Well, down here y is 0, right? Down here y is 0. Up here y is positive, isn't it? You're above the axis up here. So we're looking at this curve right here and this curve right here. Anything from this point over here, from this point over here, which is negative 1, all the way over here to the right, which is 3. Okay? And what am I talking about? I'm talking about when this is negative, and when this is negative, tell me what the values of x are. Well, x can be anything over here from negative 1 over here to 3. And you can include those numbers too because it's equal to it. All right? Interval notation, start at the negative 1 and move over to the 3 and put brackets around them to let us know they're equal.